POE Manufacturing, your global technology partner.
Hello everyone, this is Abby.
Hi, this is Tan. Welcome to POE channel.
Hi Tan, I'm hearing a lot about BGA. Sounds very complex. Would you please introduce what is BGA?
What is BGA? Well, BGA refers to ball grid arrow, which is an advanced packaging technology in SMT assembly. There are many ball-shaped bumps on the surface of the tube, which provides a lot of interconnection points to achieve high-density package purpose.
Yes, BGA is the result of the development of electronic technology and indicates the significant progress of the package technology.
Correct. The ball grid arrow is gaining popularity among SMT ICs that require dense connections. Using the underside of the IC package instead of connection around the edge make it possible to reduce connection density, hence facilitating PCB layout.
Interesting. BGA package offers short lead lengths and ample lead space. It is an ideal solution for high-speed PCB products with high-density circuits.
POE BGA assembly capability. Abby, can you introduce our BGA assembly capability?
Yes, sure. We are able to handle BGA of 0.25 mm pitch with X-ray testing. For BGAs, there are two designs with wire on pad and wire near pad connected by shorter trays. We need to tint and fill any wires near pad of the BGAs with solder mask to ensure the soldering quality. But for wires on pad, we need to fill wire with resin to make sure for good soldering quality.
You are right. Solder paste printing is the accurate transformation of solder paste from stencil to pad with stencil. So it plays a very important role to design the BGA colony. Accurate position of BGA components on printed circuit board is extremely helpful to improve the BGA soldering reliability. POE normally adjusts the stencil thickness to reach the best quality soldering of BGA.
Yes, we are very experienced in PCB assembly. On the other hand, how to ensure the quality of BGA soldering?
How to ensure the BGA soldering quality? Due to the special spherical contact arrangement of the BGA, its solder joints are invisible, and the process specification is difficult. After welding the BGA on top of the CPAs, engineers need to use X-ray equipment to check and verify the welding quality.
Yes, the biggest advantage of X-ray inspection equipment is that it can monitor all solder joints on the circuit boards, including the invisible ones.
X-ray can detect solder joints defects in BGA, such as white desoldering open circuit, bridging short circuit, cold soldering, incomplete melting of the solder ball, displacement solder beads, and whether there are air bubbles, insufficient solder volume, and other defects cannot be detected by the AOI. Therefore, we use X-ray for BGA once it's already mounted and welded on top of the circuit board.
PCBAs with BGA mounting requires complex management process systems and sophisticated hardware equipment. Only X-ray testing can guarantee the mounting quality of BGA.
Okay, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the time here. Please subscribe and leave us message for any questions. We are always there for you.